Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bhargavi Manda and this is Dr. Weigel. We are scientists at the Hughes Center for Research and Innovation. We are super excited to be here today to talk to you about the one thing we are exceptionally passionate about, product combinations and their power.
We do a lot of things in the Hughes Center, and research is our favorite. We enjoy finding special product combinations for optimal health. Synergy and Hughes Center are here to help you achieve your health goals and feeling your best.
EssentialGreens and CoQ10 were launched in Europe last September, and it's rewarding to see the great feedback coming from everyone across the globe from different markets. Let's take a closer look at some of the combination packs that the Hughes Center put together for you. First, let's talk about the Super Smoothie Pack. This pack includes 3 popular products: EssentialGreens, Smart Meal, and Mystify. Now, diet and exercise are key components for optimal health. A healthy diet comprising of protein, fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, along with regular exercise, are very crucial for elite health. But we all know how busy life gets sometimes. Many people have packed schedules, a busy life, and they are not getting these crucial dietary needs, and they're not making healthy lifestyle choices. So keeping all of this in mind, we designed a Super Smoothie Pack, which is a great combo to support your everyday lifestyle.
Smart Meal is a meal replacement protein shake. It is great for supporting your weight management goals or fitness goals. It is also perfect for use on the go. When used to replace 1 or 2 meals per day, it helps you lower your calorie burden while also providing the key nutrients that you need for healthy metabolism. This includes protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. Our modern diet is typically deficient in plant-based nutrients. EssentialGreens and Mystify in this pack can provide the much-needed phytonutrients, such as polyphenols with antioxidant properties and naturally occurring plant fiber. This combo can help you fill some nutrient gaps you may have in order to achieve your elite health goal.
So, to summarize, this pack provides protein, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients from fruits and vegetables. A perfect combination for you everywhere you go, any time of the day. And guess what? You can mix these products together, making them a super smoothie. You can add any of your favorite fruits and vegetables, giving it your own twist to the smoothie. The next combo we want to talk to you about is the Green Power Pack. So, the name might be a slight spoiler, but who does not love some green power? You may have heard, be sure to get greens. And there are good reasons why. The Green Power Pack contains a green super duo, EssentialGreens and PhytoLife. Now, greens are essential components of a healthy diet. That's because they provide some of the key nutrients, naturally occurring vitamins and minerals, and some bioactive compounds. Several studies have already shown that increased intake of leafy vegetables can provide you those health benefits.
Yes, we all know greens are important, but it is not easy to consume good amounts of quality greens consistently. We designed this pack to provide you with a unique combination of greens with high phytonutrient density, such as wheatgrass, barley grass, oat sprouts, spirulina, and lemongrass. For example, wheatgrass is a natural source of vitamins and minerals, and it is high in antioxidants like flavonoids. Artichoke leaf is another source of antioxidants. This product is such a convenient way of providing your body with what it needs to stay healthy. In this Green Power Pack, we have combined PhytoLife with EssentialGreens to provide you with a quality combination of phytonutrients and sodium copper chlorophyll for overall health support.
So let me just add to what Wei just mentioned. EssentialGreens also contains spirulina, a blue-green algae that is believed to be one of the oldest life forms on Earth. It is considered to be a superfood because of its nutritional value. It naturally contains favorable levels of protein, vitamins, minerals such as iron and magnesium, and many more beneficial constituents. The next combo we want to introduce to you is a healthcare pack. Now, the healthcare pack is just that: tender, loving care for your general health with a focus on core body function and supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. This contains CoQ10, proarginine, vitamin D3, and omega-3. This pack is designed to simplify your search and provide you with some of the key nutrients you need to support your overall general health. Remember, a healthy lifestyle, a healthy diet provides you nutrients that nourish your body and helps maintain a healthy metabolism. One good example is vitamin D. Vitamin D, as you know, is the sunshine vitamin. It is produced by your skin when you're exposed to the sun. It is important for healthy bones, muscles, and immune system. Especially in men and women older than 60, vitamin D becomes crucial for supporting bone health and muscle strength. Vitamin D deficiency is more common than you know, partially due to limited exposure to sun, sedentary lifestyle, or poor diet choices.
Omega-3 are unsaturated fatty acids, well recognized for their health benefits. DHA and EPAs are two popular omega-3 fatty acids. They contribute to the maintenance of normal blood pressure, normal blood triglyceride levels, and therefore a healthy heart. Besides, DHA contributes to normal brain function and vision. Proarginine features L-arginine, an amino acid involved in the production of nitric oxide. This signaling molecule is a key player in the cardiovascular system as it helps maintain the tone of blood vessels, healthy circulation, and optimum nutrient delivery. Not many people know what CoQ10 is or where it is stored. CoQ10 is a molecule involved in the cellular energy production. It is mostly localized in the mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of our cells.
So, this healthcare pack combo together provides you those core nutrients for overall well-being and healthy metabolism. The ingredients in this combination support healthy circulation and delivery of nutrients throughout your body. Now let's talk about a combination called Detox Pack. Now this is the pack that combines the power of EssentialGreens, proarginine, body prime, and biome actives with a focus on gut health. We often read about detox and the importance of cleansing your body and getting rid of toxins or unhealthy substances from your body. Let's see why that is important. Highly processed foods, environmental toxins, low dietary fiber intake, and poor food choices can weaken the integrity of your gut barrier. Now, this can lead to excess toxins entering into your circulation, and this will negatively affect your health. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains can provide a healthy mix of dietary fiber and nutrients to naturally help cleanse your body.
Our digestive system is an important part of our body's natural detox process. Biome Actives provides a heat-stable probiotic that promotes a healthy microbiome. Studies show that probiotics promote the growth of friendly bacteria and maintain a healthy balance in the gut. This heat-stable probiotic in Biome Active can tolerate relatively high temperatures and acidic condition of our stomach. This means that the probiotic will remain alive until it gets to the intestine and retain its healthy qualities without the need of refrigeration. Body Prime provides magnesium and natural fruit fiber. Magnesium is a mineral involved in more than 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. It supports normal muscle and brain functions. It contributes to the energy metabolism and reduction of tiredness and fatigue. We just talked about proarginine, one of our best-selling products. It features L-arginine, a source of nitric oxide that supports healthy circulation and supply of nutrients. EssentialGreens is the core component of all 4 packs we discussed today. It is a good source of phytonutrients.
Yeah. So cleansing is an integral part of a healthy lifestyle. The diverse array of fibers and nutrients in this combo work together to support a healthy detox within the body. Now, the ingredients in this combination help support your body's natural cleansing processes while providing you the nutrients that it needs to replenish during the process.